Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to achieve this really beautiful purple look. If you are into purple eyeshadow like I am, you're probably going to love this look. Purples always make my green eyes pop and I just love it. Everything about this look is purple, even down to the mascara and the eyeliners, and we're using the ColourPop Lilac a Lot eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. So, to get started, I am priming my eyelids with the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer and using the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe powder under the eyes to catch any fallout that we may have. And ColourPop's eyeshadow palette, Lilac a Lot. Now, all the names of the eyeshadows will be in the description box below, but I'm taking the first shade, first row, last shade in that row, and it is a beautiful mix between a matte, purple, and a pink. It is so stunning. This shade is probably one of the prettiest ones in the palette, if you can believe that, because they're all stunning, but it's such a beautiful color. So I put that in the crease, all messily, nothing to it. This is an Inglot eyeshadow. They have numbers on the bottom of the pan, no names. And this is just a dark purple. So whatever dark purple you have, grab that and be placing that in your outer corner with patting motions to maximize our color payoff as well as diminish any kind of fallout. So I'm just really working that in the outer corner, and then you'll see me start to slightly start bringing it into the crease. I stopped there so we can start blending. So I don't think there's anything on this blending brush. It's the first brush that I used. Now I picked up shade, and I'm just blending over the edges of that dark purple shade, and we'll stop there, and we're going to be picking up this beautiful shimmery light purple shade with these golden undertones, and I'm using setting spray from Shop Miss A to wet the brush after the eyeshadow's on there, so I can just kind of have that wet kind of look. It is so beautiful. This eyeshadow is beautiful on its own without the setting spray as well. We're just popping that on our lid in the free space that we have available left. And we're picking up more dark purple and placing that in the outer corner and the lower lash line. Really work that in the lower lash line. We're also going to go back in with the very beautiful light pink purple shade, and we'll be sweeping that across our lower lash line as well to help blend that out a bit. And I love how this looks, and ColourPop eyeshadows blend so nicely. And thank you, Stephanie, again for sending this ColourPop stuff my way, because it's fantastic. I love. I'm taking the ColourPop Brow Highlighter, and I'm applying that under the brow as the highlight and blending down all the edges of the look. Now you'll see me pick up the first shade that we used again, and I am blending that in with the brow bone highlight and blending it down into the crease, just so all the shades mesh really nicely together. I love this. I say this time and time again, it's probably one of my favorite parts about an eyeshadow look is the brow bone highlight blending with the crease color. I don't know, it's just so satisfying for me. That was NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the inner corner. This is Revlon Galaxy Dream Highlighting Palette, and this is the Duochrome Pink shade in the palette. And I'm applying that in the inner corner and blending that in with the other eyeshadows, of course. And now we're just going to be reapplying shades, probably doing a little bit more blending, of course, throughout. And then this is Jordana's Blackout Eyeliner Pencil, LaColors Liquid Eyeliner Marker, and we're just applying a very thin strip of that. Don't want eyeliner to take over the look. This is eyeliner from Santee, and it's just purple. These are great creamy gel eyeliners from Shop Miss A, you guys. Really colorful. They look awesome. And this is SnapScara from Maybelline. It's the purple one. And for lips, we're using the Hard Candy Universal Lip Primer and the All Matte Up Plus Lip Crayon in Sticks and Stones, I believe. And how beautiful is this look? It's so absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, found it helpful, and will try out Purple Look for yourselves. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos using ColourPop.